Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a good amount of items from Adore Me that I'm really loving. Before we get started, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel and you have notifications turned on. Don't forget to also follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more day-to-day updates. So let's just jump in with today's video. We have this Unlined bralette. This is called the Tanya. I feel like I'm typically in between sizes. This is a medium. I probably could have done a large. I just always run it into an issue with the cup to band ratio. So I'm worried the band might have been too loose in a large. The cup size probably would have fit better. But either way, it's still really comfortable. I love this set. I think it's so pretty. I love the light pink color. It's just so feminine, delicate. I love the lace detail. One of my favorite things that I ordered in this haul. And then I got the small panty that has the matching lace detail. This is definitely one of the better fitting items that I picked up. The set fits so well. It's so flattering. I'm obsessed with it. Definitely gonna order it in another color. We have this sports bra. This is called the Maven Contour. I definitely should have got this in a medium. This is a small. It's squeezing the side boob area, and that's totally my fault. I should have sized up. The back detail's really cute. So the top area here is adjustable. You can tighten or loosen the straps. And then that crisscross band here, which looks like this. And it's just like that really long band here that you cross around like so. And it's great for extra support. I would say it does fit really nicely. Again, obviously getting the size that's best for you is ideal, but overall it fits really well. It's super comfortable, so soft, buttery soft material. I love the color, the pattern, the fun detail. Definitely a favorite of mine. I'm totally gonna exchange it for the right size. Okay, next we have another one that I'm in love with. This is the Clara Unlined set. The top is 32DD. The bottoms I got in a small. Full disclosure also, I am wearing pasties, so keep that in mind. It is completely sheer. I love the hot pink color. It fits really well. It's so comfortable. It does have the underwire here, so it helps to keep the girls in place, gives a nice lift, it's supportive, very comfortable, but again, there's nothing in the cup area. For those of you like me who need a bit more support that are on the larger cup size, this is a great option because it does have the wider band, which is great because it's much more comfortable. It also just helps to smooth underneath your clothes. Such a cute set. I'm in love with it. Then I picked up the Ivy Unlined. I personally like to wear Unlined because I just feel like they're a lot more comfortable. It just has the underwiring here and then everything else is sheer mesh. It has a nice size band all the way around. Again, adjustable. It's super lightweight, stretchy. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything at all. Definitely a must-have basic for me. So comfortable. And then to go with it, I picked up the Sexy Pack Thong set. It's a set of 3 different thongs. So here's the first one. It has that crisscross elastic band all the way around the top there. Then the next one is completely lace. Super cute. It has the double band around the sides, and then this one also has a bunch of crisscross style detail around the waistband and back. And I got this set in a small as well. Completely sheer front and back, just so comfortable. I can't even describe how comfortable it is to you. An absolute must-have basic, and this is in a size medium. Okay, this set is called the Cane. I believe that's how you say it. Everything will be listed down in the description box per usual if you guys want to shop anything along with discount codes. But this set, also really cute. So the panty here has the leopard print type detail in the front, that buttery soft material, very stretchy. And then it has the sheer lace back. And then the bra I think is so cute. It's also unlined, and this is a 34D, but I don't really know in what world this is a 34D because it's cut really small in my opinion. So I definitely should have gotten a 34DD, but keep that in mind if you order this one. You as well might want to order up in the cup. Next we have the Lila Online Set, and this is so cute. I got the bottom here in a size small, and then this is in a size medium. Such pretty lace detailing. I love the lace paneling, and that also has the built-in boning. And then the back has the eye hook corset style all the way up and down the back there. So that is everything for today's spring haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel and you have clicked on the bell to turn notifications on so you never miss a new video. Make sure you check out the description box down below for more information, direct links to shop, and discount codes. I would love to know which items were your favorite or which items you're gonna pick up, so be sure to comment that down below as well. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok for more day-to-day updates. I'll have the direct links for those down below in the description box. As always, thank you guys so much for joining, supporting, and watching my channel. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.